Here's where I left off in the last video. My new gravel frame was all done and I had started putting parts on it. One issue came up pretty early though. After installing the bottom bracket and crank, I noticed the chainring was just barely clearing one of the derailleur housing guides. I'm sure during actual riding, there would have been enough flex to make contact. So I made the decision to do some cutting. The other option was to remove the guide and braze a brand new one in a different spot, which I didn't want to do. The guides before and after this one hold the housing away from the chainring. This one is just keeping the housing away from the tire. So I don't really need a full guide here. After a little time with the mini belt sander and a Dremel, I ended up with this. I'm running a 1x10 drivetrain using a combination of Microshift Sword Black, and Advent X. I don't have a big budget for bike parts, so Microshift is my go-to for the drivetrain. I also really like how all these components are cross-compatible. If I ever wanted to convert this to a flat bar, the only thing I need to buy is an Advent X shifter. I've used Advent and Advent X on other builds, and I've been pretty happy with it. I might eventually switch to these flat SPD combo pedals, but for now I'm just running standard SPDs. I like clipless for this type of bike. My flat shoes have so much grip that I get essentially no float on my flat pedals. My knees really appreciate the float I get from SPDs, especially on longer rides. Another thing I appreciate about Microshift is that all these components came in paper or cardboard packaging. There is just so much plastic out in the world today, and there's no good reason companies shouldn't be using more paper and plant-based packaging. These are a set of Bone Trager Paradigm wheels I picked up on Marketplace. The internal width is 25 millimeters, and I'm running 2.2-inch Terravale Rutland tires. They currently have tubes because I have a second wheel set and 50mm tires with less tread, and I'm still deciding on which tires to go with which wheels. Once I've made up my mind, I'll set them up tubeless. The rest of the drivetrain, the BB7 road calipers, and the dropper post all set up without any issues. I ended up reusing the previous bar tape to make sure I liked the lever location. Later on, I rewrapped them with new tape. And here it is all built up. Now it's time to take it for a ride. And this is why I wanted to build this bike. I do a lot of mixed terrain rides, often in the 30 to 50 mile range. I wanted a relatively efficient bike that'll be comfortable for these longer rides. One that's well suited for everything from pavement to easy single track. And so far so good. The bike fits and rides well. The big tires give me plenty of cushion and grip. The fit puts me in a position that makes me want to go fast. And so far the bike is handled well in a variety of terrain. It has a relatively long wheelbase, front center, and trail measurement, so it feels stable, but the moderate head tube angle and high bottom bracket help it not feel sluggish. The bike is not light, but that's okay, and neither am I. And I wouldn't really expect a steel bike this size, built with budget components, to be very light. I did eventually switch to a slightly longer, stronger fork with better tire clearance and the ability to run a larger front rotor. And I've been playing around with different stems to dial in the fit. I also added a small Swift frame bag to carry tools and a repair kit. Here's some more of the mixed terrain and gravel that the Twin Cities has to offer.
I was standing on the corner, watching you walk by. I was standing on the corner, watching you walk by. You were trying to wake me, baby, but that's all you do is try. I ain't studying you, baby, 'cause I'm gonna let you down. I ain't studying you, baby, 'cause I'm gonna let you down. You're not the only chick around, there's other chickens in town. Talking 10 lies, that's all you ever do. Talking 10 lies, that's all you ever do. Stop trying to wake me, baby, gonna find somebody new. I ain't studying you, baby, 'cause I'm gonna let you down. I ain't studying you, baby, 'cause I'm gonna let you down. You're not the only chick around, there's other chickens in town.
Frame project number 9 is in the books. If you're enjoying this channel, consider a super thanks. And if you haven't watched my other videos, go check them out. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.